Welcome back to the channel, EV enthusiasts. Today I'm absolutely thrilled to share my hands-on experience with the game-changing Toyota BZ electric SUV 2026. If you've been waiting for Toyota to finally bring their A-game to the electric vehicle market, grab a drink and get comfortable because this is the one we've all been waiting for. I still remember when Toyota first teased this vehicle back in 2023, and now that I've spent a week living with it, I can tell you it was worth the wait. The BZ lineup has really matured, and this flagship model shows just how serious Toyota is about the electric future. First impressions matter, and the BZ turns heads everywhere it goes. Toyota has struck a perfect balance between futuristic design and practical functionality. The sleek LED light bar spanning the front creates an unmistakable signature at night, while the aerodynamic profile helps deliver that impressive range we'll talk about in a moment. I particularly love the panoramic glass roof that seems to float above the cabin. It's not just beautiful, it makes the interior feel absolutely massive. Speaking of the interior, Toyota has completely reimagined what a car cabin should be. The sustainable materials feel premium to the touch. I'm talking recycled fabrics that somehow feel better than leather. The minimalist dashboard houses a 15-inch floating touchscreen with Toyota's next-gen infotainment system that's finally as responsive as your smartphone. The augmented reality heads-up display projects navigation directly onto the road ahead, something I use constantly during my test drives. Let's talk performance, because that's what really surprised me. The dual-motor AWD version I tested delivers 382 horsepower and rockets from 0 to 60 in just 4.8 seconds. That's sports car territory in a family SUV. The 102 kilowatt-hour battery pack delivers an EPA estimated range of 336 miles, and I actually managed to squeeze out 350 miles on my efficiency test drive. Even more impressive is the 800-volt architecture, allowing for 10 to 80% charging in under 25 minutes at compatible fast chargers. The driving experience is quintessentially Toyota, meaning it's reliable and comfortable, but with an exciting electric twist. The one-pedal driving mode is perfectly calibrated, and the adaptive suspension provides a ride that's both comfortable on highways and composed through corners. I took it on my favorite winding road, and it handled far better than any SUV has the right to. What I appreciate most is how Toyota has thought about the entire ownership experience. The improved Toyota app lets you precondition the cabin, plan trips around charging stops, and even serve as a digital key. They're offering 2 years of free charging on major networks, and the battery is warranted for 10 years or 150,000 miles, addressing the biggest concern for EV skeptics. Starting at $52,990 for the base model, it's competitively priced against rivals like the Hyundai Ioniq 7 and Volkswagen ID.8, especially considering the premium feel and Toyota's legendary reliability. If you're considering making the switch to electric, the Toyota BZE might just be the perfect vehicle to convince you. I know I'm seriously considering adding one to my garage. If you found this review helpful, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on all my newest EV reviews and road trips. Drop a comment letting me know what specific aspects of the BZ you'd like me to deep dive into next time.